I've been exploring the Beehiiv website builder for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this website builder. First, let's talk about what the Beehiiv website builder actually offers. Beehiiv started out as a newsletter platform built for creators, but over time it's evolved into a full web publishing tool. The idea behind it is simple. You can build a homepage, blog, and newsletter archive all in one place, powered by clean design and smart automation. With its newest site builder, Beehiiv now lets you customize colors, layouts, and typography while keeping everything connected to your newsletter content. In short, it's designed for creators and small businesses that want a simple, growth-focused online presence without juggling multiple platforms. Now let's discuss what works well. The biggest strength is how seamlessly it ties your website and newsletter together. Every article you post becomes both a blog entry and an email-ready newsletter. The interface is clean and modern, the global style settings let you apply branding site-wide, and domain integration is surprisingly easy. It's also built for audience growth, with built-in subscription forms, SEO fields, and basic analytics already included. Creating and publishing can genuinely happen in under half an hour. But there are a few trade-offs. Customization is still limited compared to full website builders like Framer or Webflow. Mobile responsiveness needs improvement, and advanced design flexibility is often locked behind paid plans. The editor can also feel slightly glitchy or restricted if you're aiming for pixel-perfect layouts. Overall, Beehiiv's website builder is a great fit for creators, writers, and small teams who want to grow an audience rather than build a complex site. It's clean, fast, and focused. Perfect if you want publishing made simple and efficient. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.